My mum is a woman that absolutely loved life. She was out the door at the drop of a hat if she thought she was going to have a bit of crack. She didn't stop. She had no time for the mundane things of life. My mum got a lung cancer diagnosis and she died 12 weeks later without receiving any treatment. They never told us that she was going to die. They never told us that there was a chance that she was going to die. They never gave her an option. I think she would have taken the other option. She would have possibly got more time. We'll never know that. She would have been comfortable and she wouldn't have spent the last few weeks in bed waiting for the next appointment. The compassion and the care seems to be completely gone from the HSE. They are forgetting that the people that they're dealing with are mothers and fathers and brothers and sisters, and they're loved by somebody, and the systems they're using is archaic. We're living in 2025 when cars can drive for themselves, when robots can cut your grass, but the HSE are relying on paper records to look after somebody's health, ultimately their life. We have so many people in rural Ireland that have to travel to cities for specialised clinics all of the time. But if they become ill, in the meantime, they need to go to their local hospital, and those local hospitals don't have a record of the patient or how they've been treated or what's wrong with them up till then. So everything needs to start all over again. If she knew that she was going to die, she would have had a party. She would have seen as many people as she possibly could. Been a few months now since she died, and it still is very, very raw. It wasn't fair. What happened to her was not fair. It shouldn't happen to anybody in any part of the world.